Hi, I'm Diane Bass. I'm a federal criminal defense attorney in Orange County, California. And I want to talk to you about pleading guilty in a federal case. I want to talk to you about what it looks like on paper and what it looks like in court. So the first thing that happens when a plea has been negotiated is that the U.S. attorney will email me a plea agreement. This is a document that's usually around 25 pages, and it contains all different sections. It contains the facts that support the plea. It contains your constitutional rights. It contains maximum sentences and minimums if there is one in your case. And there's a specific section that says that the judge is not a party to the plea, which means that if the judge doesn't go along with the agreement of the parties, you can't for that reason withdraw your plea. So I sit down with my clients and I spend a great deal of time going through this document in great detail and make sure that you understand every little bit of it. Not until you feel comfortable with it, you sign the document, I email it back to the U.S. attorney, and they file it with the court. After that happens, the court will email us with a couple of dates to choose from, and we agree on a change of plea hearing date. Once we get to court, you are put under oath. The judge will make sure that you are telling the truth. The judge will ask you your age, your education, whether you are under the influence of any substances, and to see if you are competent to enter the plea. The judge will then go through the entire document with you, section by section. The judge will ask your lawyer questions about whether or not I believe you are competent to take this plea, whether it is in your best interest. And then the judge will ask you whether the facts in the document are true and whether you are pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty and for no other reason. He or she will also ask you if any threats have been made to you or your family or loved ones to get you to enter into this plea. And if the judge accepts your plea, they will then say, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty? You will say guilty. There are no contest pleas in federal court. And then the judge will set a sentencing hearing, which is generally about 10 weeks out from the change of plea hearing, within which time you have your probation interview, we get the probation report, we prepare sentencing memos, and then we go forward to sentencing. So that is what a guilty plea looks like, both on paper and in court.